Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 7A, and I'm gonna show you how to check the IMEI number and the serial number on this device. First, let's open the settings by tapping this icon right here. Now let's select About Phone. Here scroll down and select Status. And we have IMEI numbers right here. And to check the serial number, tap on model and hardware. And here we have the serial number of our device. You can also check the IMEI numbers another way. To do it, go to home screen, open the phone app, dial in code *#06#, and this code opens the info menu, IMEI info menu, and here we have the IMEI numbers of our device. And that's how you check the serial number and the IMEI numbers on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.